Aysha Siddhika.
Aysha Siddhika, nice name. So today is your speaking test session. I will ask you some questions as usual. You know that what you have learned in the last month. So are you ready?
Yes.
Do you feel nervous?
No.
Are you confident?
No.
Are you confident?
Yes.
Okay. My first question to you. Could you tell me what is the definition of modal auxiliary
A
verb?
modal auxiliary verb is a helping verb that shows capability, necessity, possibility, or willingness.
That's great. So would is a modal verb, right? So
Yes.
can you make some sentences by using would?
Yes. I would learn English. I wouldn't learn English. Would I learn English? Wouldn't I learn English? Why would learn English? Why wouldn't I learn English?
Then change the subject.
We would learn English. We wouldn't learn English. Would we learn English? Wouldn't we learn English? Why would we learn English? Why wouldn't we learn English? You would learn English. You wouldn't learn English. Would you learn English? Wouldn't you learn English? Why would you learn English?
That's great. Okay, we can move to the another one. And another modal verb is may, right?
Yes.
So make some sentences by using may.
I may go there. May I mayn't go there. May I go there. Mayn't I go there. We may go there. We mayn't go there. May we go there. Mayn't we go there. You may go there. You mayn't go there. May we go there. Mayn't you go there.
That's great. What about might?
I might write a letter. I mightn't write a letter. Might I write a letter? Mightn't I write a letter? We might write a letter. We mightn't write a letter. Might we write a letter? Mightn't we write a letter? You might write a letter. You mightn't write a
Then should.
letter. Should. I should read attentively. I shouldn't read attentively. Should I read attentively? Shouldn't I read attentively? Why should I read attentively? Why shouldn't I read attentively? We should read attentively. We shouldn't read attentively. Should we read attentively? Shouldn't we read attentively? Why should we read attentively? Why
Then
shouldn't
can
we
you
read
make some sentences by using should have?
I should have gone there. I shouldn't have gone there. Should have gone there. Should I have gone there?
Yes.
Shouldn't I have gone there? Shouldn't I have gone there? Why should I have gone there? Why shouldn't I have gone there? We should have gone there. We shouldn't have gone there. Should we have gone there? Shouldn't we have gone there? Why should have why should have gone there? Why shouldn't have gone there?
Then next question to you. Could you tell me what is the definition of positive verb?
The English verbs late, make, gate, and help are called positive verbs because they cause something else to happen.
Make some sentences by using make as a positive verb.
I make him do the work. I make him do the work. I don't make him do the work. Do I make him do the work? Don't I make him do the work? Why do I make him do the work? Why don't I make him do the work? A word that describes or gives more information about a verb, adjective, adverb, or phrase.
Okay, that's great. How many kinds of adverb are there?
There are 6 kinds of adverb. They are adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, adverb of reason.
Okay, that's great. You did awesome, good, fantastic, fantabulous, marvelous. I liked it. So